Namaste students. Today's our topic is what will happen if a person dies without a will in India. What happens to the property of male Hindu dying intestate? Property of male Hindu dying intestate. The Hindu Succession Act 1956 lays down the provisions for the property of a Hindu male dying intestate. The Act says that the property of a Hindu male dying intestate is first given to the heirs of class 1, and if there are no heirs of class 1, then it is given to the heirs of class 2. If there are no heirs in class 2, then the property is given to the deceased agnates or relatives through the male lineage, and if there are no agnates or relatives through the male lineage, the property is given to the cognates or relatives through the female lineage. Two classes of heirs are class 1 heirs, sons, daughters, widows, mothers, son of a predeceased son, widow of a predeceased son, widow of a predeceased son of a predeceased son. If there are more than one widow or multiple surviving sons of multiples of other heirs mentioned above, then each person will be granted one share of the property. Class 2 heirs: father, sons, daughters, sons, daughters, daughter, brother, sister, daughters, sons, son, daughters, sons, daughter, daughters, daughter's son, daughters, daughter's daughter, brother's son, sister's son, brother's daughter. Section 8 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 provides some provision for the succession of property to the heirs of male Hindu dying intestate. The section divides the heirs of a male Hindu dying intestate under 4 classes. They are relatives who are specified in class 1 of the schedule, relatives who are specified in class 2 of the schedule, agnates of the deceased, cognates of the deceased. If the heirs are absent who were qualified under the Act, the property of the intestate shall devolve on the government by SG. The government is not classified as or entitled as heirs of the intestate. The term dying intestate applies when a male Hindu dies intestate without making any will or made an invalid will. The term property is also included and explained under the Act. The above mentioned section or sections apply where on the death of a male Hindu intestate, devolution of his property takes place after the commencement of the Act and does not manage the succession to the property of a male Hindu whose death took place before the commencement of the Act. For example, Bilawat Prasad Bhagwat and others versus Shankar Bhagwat and others. Competent court held that the Section 6 cannot be used to govern the inheritance under the Hindu Succession Act, and its explanation Section 8 will govern the succession of the property of widow, sons, daughter, and they could inherit the property in equal shares. Thank you so much.